wanna come home.
You hear it? That's the wind from the outside. Yeah, you're trying to make up for it, dude. Nothing's gonna save you on that one. Where are they gonna sit? Put them in first class, for Christ's sakes. Who cares?
Oh my God. 4.
Oh, that's fucked up. I'm sorry. Use my French, but holy crap.
Display is fucked.
Now I'm getting nervous. I don't like this shit.
Eh? It's like coming air from the outside.
That's what happened. This thing right the hell open.
That it opened. What it happened? That thing opened?
Yeah. Look, you can see it on the wall. See the hole?
Where?
On the right, over there. You don't see it? Stand up a little bit.
Oh shit.
You see it? Yeah,
That.
there you go. Yeah. I wouldn't be sitting anywhere near that